I practiced English with strangers. Here's what happened. Welcome to English Listening Journey. Today, I'm sharing a powerful story. It's about a personal challenge that changed my English skills forever. Speaking with strangers in English. If you're afraid of talking to people in English, this video is for you. I was just like you. Nervous. Unsure. But one day, I took a step. And it changed everything. Part 1. The fear of speaking. For a long time, I studied English every day. I watched videos, read books, and listened to podcasts. But still, I couldn't speak. Or, to be honest, I didn't dare to speak. Why? Because I was afraid. What if I said something wrong? What if the person didn't understand me? What if I looked silly? These questions were always in my mind. I knew vocabulary. I knew grammar. But I didn't have the courage to use them. One day, I realized something. If I never speak, I'll never improve. So, I decided to do something crazy. At least it felt crazy to me. I gave myself a challenge. Speak English with 5 strangers in one day. Part 2. The challenge begins. It was a sunny Saturday. I woke up nervous. I walked to a park where many tourists and students hang out. I told myself, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to try. I saw a man sitting on a bench, reading a book in English. I walked over slowly. My hands were shaking. My heart was racing. I took a deep breath. "Excuse me," I said. "Is that a good book?" He looked up and smiled. "Yes, it is." That was it. The conversation had started. We talked for 2 minutes. I asked what the book was about. He answered kindly. I made some mistakes, but I understood most of what he said. I was surprised. I did it. I spoke English with a stranger. Part 3. Growing confidence. That little success gave me energy. I approached 2 more people, a couple taking photos. I asked them where they were from. They said Canada. We had a short but fun chat about the city and their trip. Again, I made some mistakes, but they didn't care. They smiled, and we laughed. Mistakes didn't stop the conversation. That was a big lesson. By the time I spoke to the 5th person, I wasn't scared anymore. I actually enjoyed it. I realized that strangers are often very kind and patient, especially when they see you're trying. Part 4. What I learned. That day taught me more than any textbook ever could. Here's what I learned. 1. Fear is normal, but it gets smaller the more you speak. 2. People are nicer than you think. Most strangers won't laugh at your mistakes. They'll help you. 3. You don't need perfect grammar. You need bravery and basic words to start a conversation. 4. Real English is different. People speak fast. They use slang. But you understand more than you think if you stay calm. Part 5. Practical tips for you. If you want to try this challenge, here's what helped me. Prepare 3 simple questions. Like, "Oh, where are you from? Oh, do you like this city? Oh, what do you do for fun?" Smile. It helps break the ice. Listen more than you speak. People love to talk. Give them space. Use body language. It supports your words when you don't know what to say. Don't run away after the first mistake. Keep going. You can start small. Talk to a classmate. Ask for directions in English. Join an online speaking group. The important thing is to start. Part 6. The results after 1 month. After that first day, I made it a habit to speak English every week. I joined a free language exchange club in my city. I made new friends. We met every Friday to practice English and other languages. My listening improved. My speaking got faster. I learned real expressions, not just the ones from books. After a month, I wasn't afraid of speaking anymore. I even started helping new learners in the group. 1 year later, I gave a short speech at an international student event in English. That moment felt unbelievable. I remembered the old me scared, shy, and silent. Now I was confident in speaking in front of people, all because I dared to talk to strangers one day in the park. Final words. Your turn. If you're still scared of speaking English, I understand. I was there. But you don't have to stay silent forever. One small step can open the door to big change. So, here's my challenge for you. Talk to one person in English this week. Just one. Start with a simple question. See where it goes. Don't wait to be perfect. Start now, just as you are. You are not alone. Many learners are on this journey with you. We all make mistakes. That's how we grow. And remember, confidence doesn't come before you speak. It comes because you speak. Thanks for watching English Listening Journey. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And tell me in the comments, will you try the challenge? Who will you talk to first? Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.